W train come back. I'm gonna go back again on the train. Yeah, now we can do it. Yeah. Yeah, the W train comes back later, either later this year or no later than early next year. So I'm so happy with the Dutch coming back. Cuba, because the only reason why Dutch coming back is not because we want them. Well, because Q, you better look at Q on 707. If it wasn't for Q, it wasn't for 707 accident, then Dutch will never come back. Yeah, yeah, I know. I heard Dutch will come back. I heard this like not even 5 months. More than that, 6 months ago. I've been doing this since 6 months ago. But actually, I didn't even know if like since summer 2014. So yeah, don't even tell me. I know I had to do like 5 or 6 months to go back to be a March or February. But it was still this year. Yeah, I'm watching Hastings. See? So yeah. So I mean, yeah. But you have to do that app. If I'm gonna be on the third channel, damn right I am gonna be. Damn right I'm gonna be there. When the third comes, whenever they said that the third coming out, I'll be over there for the third train. I'm gonna be riding the third train. Not every day, but yeah, when the third come back, I'm gonna ride it. I will be there on the first day. Probably even Welfare might be over there. You never know. I mean, Welfare might be on the third. You never know. Cause they probably will, cause they miss the third train so much. So yeah. And it might be RJ Tuesday might come. They might, cause I heard some bad news for the RJ. They're gonna have to fix the They might have to do the R trains, Market Street Troop again. I don't know if bad knows the first time. Okay, one more time, the Dirty Train is coming back. It'll still be one like we used to win back when we was around, alive, before it died in 2010. Went from the Storage and Must Boulevard all the way down to Whitehall Street. And yeah, sometimes the Dirty Van he's high at the end. Sometimes. But what's up? Yeah, I know. I'm so happy. I'm definitely gonna ride, but probably after school. I don't know when, but probably after school. I'm supposed to go myself. Hopefully, yeah. Alright, movie coming tomorrow. Today, I'm not planning to go on a train. So, movie is tomorrow. In the morning, late in the morning.